Hello guys again, and today is about testing this Parkside Bandsaw PBS 350A1. I already cut some wood to see how it works, and let me show you how it's doing. As you see, has a very clean cut, very smooth. I like how it went everything. Oh, let's try another one. The game the same, very clean cut with no problem. Definitely it will be very useful for DIY jobs, and I'm going to try this wood. Let's do it. Definitely it has a clean cut. I like how it goes. Very nice. Let's cut another one. And again, very smooth. Well, how it goes. all about this product, this Parkside Bandsaw. I think it's very nice product. It costs only 99 euros from Lidl. Well, if you definitely want it for some small DIY jobs, it will do. But for a professional use, I don't know if you can manage. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel, like or dislike my video is your choice, but share this video, you never know who may need it. Have a nice and lovely day. Bye bye.